Here in Craftiviti, we have a really popular fragrance making session where you can discover your scent with a tons of fragrance oil choices. But ever wondered what's inside your fragrance mist? Today we're going to deep dive into the science and art of fragrance mist. The simple yet powerful blend that makes you smell fresh all day. Here in Craftiviti, we make our fragrance mist using 3 main ingredients: denatured alcohol, distilled water, and also fragrance oil. Let's break down what each of these ingredients does and why does it matter. First up, we have denatured alcohol. This is the base for most fragrance mists and perfumes. It is what helps carry the scent and makes it evaporate quickly on your skin, leaving behind only the beautiful fragrance. Denatured alcohol is basically ethyl alcohol that is been treated to make it undrinkable, but it still keeps all the amazing properties for cosmetic and perfumery use. At Craftiviti, we use cosmetic-grade denatured alcohol, safe for external use, fast drying, and perfect for dissolving your fragrance oil evenly. Without alcohol, your fragrance mist might separate or turn cloudy because oils and water don't mix naturally. So why denatured alcohol out of all the alcohols that we have out there? Denatured alcohol is an excellent solvent for fragrance oil. The main ingredient in it is called ethanol, which helps to dissolve a wide range of fragrance and aromatic materials, which helps to create a well-blended solution. This ensures that the scent component remains stable. Denatured alcohol also evaporates quickly. It lifts up the fragrance molecule into the air, giving it a good projection. And because of that, the fragrance notes can unfold more predictably. Next, stability and preservation. Alcohol helps to inhibit microbial growth, which means it's less likely to grow mold into your fragrance mist. Denatured alcohol is very stable, so your product remains consistent over time. Next, minimal odor interference. When done right, high-purity ethanol has very little scent on its own. It does not interfere with the fragrance oil. Some alcohol like isopropyl alcohol may smell too medical that it may mask the fragrance notes. And lastly, it has a good skin feel. Denatured alcohol tends to feel clean and light when applied on skin. It evaporates, leaving the fragrance, but there's no greasy or sticky feel. It is a safe option in perfumery when you use in the right concentration. Overuse or very high formulation of alcohol may cause your skin to be dry. Next, we have the distilled water. This is the balancer. Distilled water helps to dilute the alcohol content, so your mist feels gentle on the skin instead of harsh and drying. It also gives your mist a more lighter and refreshing spray, which makes it perfect for everyday use. We use distilled water to ensure purity, no minerals, no impurities. Just clean balance that keeps your formula stable and clear. I bet you're wondering, why can't we just use normal tap water? The answer comes down to purity and stability. Tap water or filtered water still contains mineral, chlorine, and microscopic impurities. This may react with the alcohol or the fragrance oil in your mist. This can cause separation into your mixture, an unpleasant musty smell over time, and even a shorter shelf life due to microbial growth. Distilled water, in the other hand, is completely pure. It is made of boiling water into the steam and condensing it back into liquid, removing all those unwanted minerals and contamination. By using distilled water, you ensure that your fragrance mist stays clear and stable, longer lasting, and safe for skin contact. So when it comes to fragrance formulation, distilled water is always the best choice. Finally, the fragrance oil, the soul of your mist. This is where creativity and personality shine. Fragrance oil are carefully crafted blends of natural extract and aroma molecules that creates your signature scent: floral, fruity, woody, gourmet, or fresh. At Craftiviti, we carry hundreds of fragrance oil, from rose to lavender, or to a unique blend such as cocoa, lemon, eucalyptus. Each oil has different strength and character, so depending on your formula, you can make a soft everyday mist or a strong, long-lasting perfume. So how it all comes together: when you mix alcohol, distilled water, and also fragrance oil, magic happens. The alcohol helps to dissolve the oil, the water softens the formula, and together they create a fine mist. After making your mist, allow the scent to rest at least 24 to 48 hours to allow the scent to combine together. The process is called maceration. It is what gives your mist a smoother and a more consistent aroma. So there you have it, 3 simple ingredients turned into something amazing. denatured alcohol for the base, distilled water for balance, and fragrance oil for personality. If you like to make your own fragrance mist, you can find all these ingredients here in Craftiviti. Shop online or visit our store at Craftiviti Level 2, Centerpoint, Bandar Utama. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something today, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And share this video to a friend who loves making perfume. And comment down below your favorite fragrance oil blend. We would like to know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.